Hi, Philip from T.W White Sons. We're delighted to acquire this beautiful Suzuki S-Cross 1.4 Boosterjet hybrid SZ5 top specification car. 21 on a 21 plate, registered 30th of July 21. One owner car, done just a shade over 26,000 miles, in superb condition. Really high specification with this car. Front and rear parking sensors with on-screen display, reverse camera, polished alloy wheels, electric panoramic sunroof, keyless entry, rear privacy glass, some rear sensors, hybrid. We need to get a load area cover for this vehicle. For some unknown reason it's missing, but we will be getting that. 60/40 split rear seat system. The condition of the plastics, etc., is in very good order here. This car hasn't been valeted. It has not been through the workshop yet. We'll probably get it, more than likely, if it's due a service, it will be getting a service. In fact, it was last serviced actually in February, so it actually doesn't need it, about 300-400 miles ago. But it will be getting the full 101 point used car check, where we check everything: tyre tread depths, brake pad wear, brake disc wear, condition of the wipers, condition of the vehicle's electrical systems, everything. T.W White Sons will take any car against this in part exchange. We will be as competitive as any of the online companies that advertise on national television. Those that wish to buy your car, we will be as competitive as they are, whilst offering exemplary levels of customer service. I will point out this vehicle will come with 12 months Suzuki approved warranty, encapsulating 12 months roadside assistance. Absence of scuffs to the polished alloy wheels, which is good to see. Bodywork's in great condition. You've got a full leather, black leather interior here. Electric windows all round with electric door mirrors, power folding. And in here, the range of specification. First, the row switches we come to, engine stop start button, radar brake support. You've also got fog lamps, parking sensors, etc. Really great spec with this car. Brought the key in, foot on the brake. You've got an engine stop start button, which is down here. Press this. Foot on the clutch rather. Press this and it bursts into life. Very clear instrumentation with these cars as well. Wonderful spec. It does need an oil change, and it's shown at 26,156 miles. 63 miles left in the tank till we run out of fuel. Outside temperature, you got rev counter, tachometer, left hand side with temperature gauge concealed within that. Right hand side, you've got speedo with the fuel gauge at the bottom of it. A central display. I'll come to how those things, how the central display changes in a minute. But on multi-function steering wheel, you've got mode switch for the stereo. Excellent Suzuki in-car entertainment system here. Integrated Bluetooth with voice control. Suzuki adaptive radar cruise control, which senses vehicles in front of you and will slow the car down as appropriate if you've got the cruise set. But really brilliant spec. Auto wipers with variable speed on the intermittent. Auto lights here. Very clear instrumentation. Change this. There's a button here and you can go into the various, it's got stop start technology with an integrated storage generator and 24 volt battery, which helps power the vehicle's electrical systems. That's the hybrid part. Blank screen, so instant fuel economy, average fuel economy, range indicator, etc. When we come to this, keep my finger on this, and you get into the vehicle's sub menu, where you can adjust how you read fuel economy, distance in units, set your sensors up, clock setting, door locks, lights, temperature, how that's read, TPMS, tyre pressure monitoring system, default, back button. Very simple. Very high spec air conditioning unit, this dual zone climate air conditioning. You'll see there press automatic. It will direct the air and adjust the fan speeds according to the internal temperature of the vehicle. You can adjust your temperature independently like that from the passenger and vice versa, or if you take it off the dual button, you're exactly the same. It operates simultaneously. So some people, all they do is they set temperature, hit automatic, away you go. You got reset button, you got air from the outside in, air conditioning, fan speeds, dual zone, as I said, front demist, heated rear window. Couldn't be simpler. Auto button, off, and mode button. To come off this auto setting, which is what the car is in at the moment, the easiest way to do it is adjust the fan speed. Auto lights extinguished. If you want to operate it like a normal air conditioning system, you just hit mode button there. You can adjust the fan where you want the air to go. Couldn't be easier. 12-volt power socketry down there, heated seats, 2-stage heated seats, a wonderful 6-speed manual gearbox. These cars drive incredibly well, very smooth shifting throughout the gears. Plenty of storage in this car, cup holders, central armrest as well, there with USB plug-in. You've got this wonderful Suzuki DAB sound system encapsulating satellite navigation and smartphone technology. Hit that button, comes up with a range of options: radio, FM 1, 2, etc. It's on DAB at the moment. 6 presets per waveband. If you go into the cog button in each of the program sources, you get into the vehicles, into this unit sub menu, so you can adjust things like bass, treble, fader, balance, equalizer presets, speed dependent volume control, which will adjust the sound to compensate for any road or engine noise. Really great spec. Home screen, satellite navigation. There we go. The map looks like this. Really good system. If you want to go somewhere, just put in the address and then hit this button and it'll take you to where you want to go. Points of interest nearby. So if we wanted to go to banking and get some money out, just hit that. Wanted an automatic teller machine, shows you the nearest one and highlight which one you want to go to. Execute the command. The sat nav will assist you in getting there. Back button, back button. And then if you go into the cog button again, you come up with the sub menu for the navigation. It's simple, all touchscreen, very directional, very easy. Route options, guidance and map settings, position and GPS information, geo coordinate format, DMS. Home screen, integrated Bluetooth. You've got range of people that have put in there so you can you just unpair the necessary phones. For example, this one, it's so simple to do. Probably go, there we are, that's unpaired, and then hit this final one for a few seconds. Unpaired, clear. You can program whatever phone you want in, and then into the cog button, display incoming text message, use phone ringtone, sort order of phone, book. Home screen, smartphone linkage, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Plug your phone in using the USB. All your icons will come up here on screen. So for example, if you subscribe to Spotify, you'll get access to millions of songs and albums. Really superb stuff. Excellent digital sound quality. If you have downloaded Waze navigation and Google Maps, particularly Waze navigation provides a very good sat nav program which will integrate with the voice control in this car perfectly. And Waze will warn you of potholes. It will warn you of stop vehicles, speed cameras, quickest route somewhere. Absolutely fantastic. Home screen. Front and rear park, sorry about the view out the back. Rear camera, look at that. In the center here, you've got parking sensors clearly displayed on the screen. So you've got the camera and you've got the parking sensor indication. If you want the overall menu for the whole system itself, just press the cog button, scroll down whatever you want to choose and go in there, and it's done that simply. Brilliant system here. Look at that full length panoramic electric sunroof. This is not just one of these fixed ones, it's beautifully engineered, this. Look. And sunblind. Look at that. Really great level of spec with this car, but it's beautifully finished. The advantage with these Suzuki's, Japanese engineering at its best. There it is, SZ5 S-Cross, top of the range, manual, 6-speed gearbox, in white, done just a shade over 26,000 miles, in superb condition. If you want to find out more about this wonderful car, please go onto our website, which is www.twwhitesons.co.uk. Thanks for watching.